I stand here today as a young, proud gay man, part of a generation that overwhelmingly understands that same-sex marriage is a human right, not a special right.
And this court has been asked to adjudicate and rule on my rights as a woman, as an African American, as a worker, and now as a same-gender loving woman who has been in a loving relationship with my partner Shirley for 29 years. And now I stand on behalf of all couples, our families, our friends, and our religious communities to thank our supporters for your overwhelming support for our right to marry.
I'm proud to be part of a labor movement committed to standing up for equal treatment for all Americans under the law. Labor submitted amicus briefs challenging the constitutionality of Proposition 8 in DOMA. We stand shoulder to shoulder with you in this fight. We must no longer be a nation that allows loving, committed, same-sex couples to be denied the economic and workplace rights and protections that heterosexual couples simply take for granted.
It was our 15-year-old daughter who inspired us to consider fighting for marriage rights. She said, "This is your chance to be a part of history." Although we're thrilled to be legally married in New York State, because of DOMA, if Mary Jo should die, I would not be entitled to Social Security benefits. If Mary Jo should become seriously ill, although we've been together for 31 years, I would not be able to take time off from my job to care for her and know that my job would be waiting for me through the Family Medical Leave Act.
The most important aspect of these decisions is the message it will send to the millions of American children being raised in LGBT families. A decision in support of equality shows us that our families are valued and equal. A decision against equality, in turn, sends the message that our families are not worthy of equal respect and protection, despite our unwavering bonds of love.
As a Marine, I do not take freedom lightly. And as a Republican, I really do believe in limited government. I can't even imagine what it must be like to have someone say you can't get married. I look at my wife and I think back when Berta and I got married, Calvin was standing there right next to me as my best man. And let me tell you something, when he's ready to get married, I'm gonna be standing there right next to him.
And for us, familia es familia. Family is family. We are here in support of family and of the LGBT families in our community. And we urge the Supreme Court justices to do the right thing, to do what is inscribed on those very walls up there. Provide equal justice under the law.
The Supreme Court has an historic opportunity to stand up for love, commitment, and equality. To say unambiguously that in the United States of America, discrimination in any form is intolerable, and to demonstrate to our children that love is love, and that we are a nation that strives to live up to the values and promises we were founded on. Thank you.
Thank you.